Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present you a new website. It's called Society6. Before we start, let me give you a short idea about this website. Society6 is an online marketplace that connects independent artists and designers with customers looking to purchase unique and original products. So to get started with this website, simply head over Society6 or Society6.com, and this is all the results I got after my search. We will choose this one, Society6 artist designed wall art, home decor and kitchen floor. Let's choose this one. So like you see with me here, this is the pricing page. See here, and on Society6 artists can upload their designs, which can then be printed on a wide range of products, and also the customers can browse through the marketplace and discover a vast collection of artistic designs across different categories, like you see here: framed prints, art prints, comforts, throw pillows, and S6 essential. I will talk you more about this website after we try to create an account and log in. We need to go over here, like you see with me, and click on. So if you are a new member, you will just create an account. If you are already have an account, you will just write your email and password here, and then you sign in. So we are new in this website, so let's create an account. Click over here. So they ask us if are we there here to become a member or become an artist. So this is independent on you, why you are coming in this website. If you want to become a member, you will click over here. If you want to become an artist, you will click over here. Okay, let's try with become a member. It's the same, okay? And creating an account, it's the same. It will be different on the sides. So we need to create a username or a URL. Let's choose this one. We need to create a display name, and then the email address. Let's choose this one here, and then we need to create a password that we can remember. Okay, when you see this green over here, that means your create is valuable. The password or email or whatever must be at least 6 characters. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy, and terms of service apply by submitting this form. Okay, let's just sign up. All files are required. That means you need to complete all these files. Okay. So this is our account in this website over here. Like you see, this is the username, and we have 0 followers until now. We have 0 following and designs because this is the first time I started in this website. And here to edit your shop, here you will find all the designs, and then here you find the collections. I have 0 collection, like you see, because this is the first time for me here, and 0 favorites. So this is how to create an account in Society6. Now let's come back to the official websites. Like you see with me here, we have a lot of artwork on various products. Like you see with me here, the Society6 allows artists to showcase their artwork on a wide range of products, including art, prints, home decor, items, apparel, accessories, and more. There's versatility enable artists to reach a broader audience and expand their products offering. And we have over here all this here. It can be print on demand. The Society6 operates on a print on demand model, which means products are created and shipped as orders come in. This eliminates the need for artists to manage inventory or handle production and shipping logistics. Artists can focus on creating their artwork while Society6 takes care of the rest. And also here the customization. Yeah, the customization options, many of the products available on Society6 can be customized and personalized. Customers can often choose from different sizes, color, option, and other variation to suit their performance. This adds an extra layer of uniqueness and allows customers to have a personalized experience. This is we will see it right now. Let's like example choose home decor. Okay, let's choose this one, share curtains. Like you see with me here, this is all the results. And like I said before, here we can choose the color, the departments, the products. We choose the chair curtain, and we want to filter it by price or by color or by size. Like example, like you see with me here, colors, medium, and style that we want to put in our room or any place that you want. And here we can find the styles. We have natural one, digital, boho, floral, summer, botanical, and flowers. Like this is over here, spring, green, garden, art. There is a lot of things here. We have a part for kids, like you see over here, kids, crew necks, kids hoodies, joggers, t-shirts, hoodies, art prints, and the royalty system of this website is offer artists a royalty system where they earn a portion of the sale whenever one of their designs is purchased. Artists can set their own royalty rates, giving them control over their present and potential earning. And also we have the discover ability and marketplace. It provides a marketplace where customers can explore and discover a vast collection of artwork from various artists. This platform, excuse me, offers search and filtering option, making it easier for customers to find the specific styles, themes, or products that they are interested in. So this is all about our video today. Please, if you understand me, follow for more and subscribe. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.